I spent time in the Marine Corps, one of my favorite core exercises, not just working the core, it's working out your legs, it's working out your back. It's a great warm-up exercise. They're called steam ninjas. So I'm gonna show you how to do them wrong, and I'm gonna show you how to do them right. First, I'm gonna show you the wrong way, and believe it or not, some things that I learned in the Marine Corps is the wrong way. So what most people will do, they'll come up here, grab their head, and come down here. Now what you're doing, you're hurting your neck, okay? So when they come down, they're pulling their neck down here, pulling their neck down here. What I learned through my time, my 26 years in the Marine Corps, my 50 years of life, is just hold it up here, okay? Head straight, and come here. Lean back, rock back. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1. To avoid this injury right here, okay? Stop doing that. Focus here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's going to be many more tutorial videos coming up here. If you like it, love it, like it, subscribe to the channel, and I promise I'll give you more.